What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. I'm outside of a steel door install inside of a 40-foot shipping container. Right now I am cutting out my hole. I got part of it done, as you see. The goal with these, I have a trick that I run on these to make it easier. You want to get it where you can fall on the corners of the ridge or on the ridge to ridge. That way it's easier to cock it and weld it around. And then the top piece, I have a trick where if you go a little higher and you get a flat piece of metal, I always keep a different flat stock with me, and I run it across the top as my drip rail to catch both of them, and you can weld that in seam and the out seam together. So there's a few different tricks to doing this, but I think that it's very valuable to learn how to modify and do the conversions, especially if you are a welder, fabricator, installer. So just keep that in mind. I'm out here doing this for now. We're going to get to the next stage. Hold on.